This is the Slave River. Slave River. You can touch it. Let me sprinkle it on you. It has no effect. It has no. You can touch it. You can touch it. This shows that this was the Slave River. Step on it. Touch it.
How deep is it?
You have visited this place before. No, it's not all that deep. Now, let me tell you why this place was chosen. This place, it is because of geographical effect that this place is wet. At first, it was very, very high. See, at first, this place was high, so the slaves, the captives, I will not say slaves, the captives were kept there, fed there, and those who were not well were given treatment, either the palm oil or any other, how do you call it, therapy, which will make them strong, so that they'll be presented to the market where I'm going to take you. This was the slave. Hey, I'm sorry. Take time, take time. Oh, you have. I'm okay. Let's take that you have your last bath. So this was the last place where they had the last bath. In fact, if you had been here during the daytime, you would have had a very nice lesson. This was the river. Please, the other river is not the slave river. That river is for the indigenous people. They were drinking it, we still drink it. Now this place, we can drink it. But because of our conscience, if your grandfather or a great-grandmother should have that treatment over here, you will not like to put it into your mouth. You even cough it out. Now, over there, the captives were kept there and they were groomed because they have worked more than 2 months without having food, proper food I should say, and drink, proper water I should say. And when they brought here, they were groomed. And then from here, I'll take you to the market and you see what happened at the market.
Where were they brought from?
You say?
Where were they brought from?
They were brought from, even some of them from Senegal. Because Senegal too? Yes, because
That's where her family is from.
Ah, St. Louis and Gori and other places were your places. We were occupied by the French. But that place, I don't want to be discriminatory. Because that place, they don't have good forts as the Portuguese established in Elmina and Cape Coast. They had to walk all the way under the authorship of the merchants. The merchants themselves never went beyond this town. They never went beyond this town until late in the 19th century when Yasantua War broke out and they came, because at first the Go-Goats, the highest peak of the Go-Goats was at Simpraso. This was the place that they had their bath. Fed, and then the merchants would come here with their collaborators.
They would bid on them there.
Well, yeah,
they would bid on the slaves there.
Yes, this is why that they were exchanged.
They were groomed here. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, groomed
yes.
Here. Because people will bring salt, fish, food, and somebody who has taken 3 or 2 months without having food. What do you think the person will look like? And my young pretty women like this, without having bath. Me, I'm a man. I can even stay without having my bath for even one month. But the woman has a circle. May God forgive all of us.
Okay.
So please, this is why they had their last bath. Here, after they have been groomed, the merchants came. They didn't come. They didn't know when they would come. So they were here at the mercy of the weather and the Creator. So they took them over there, and then they were dispatched. For what? Gunpowder, gun, tobacco, and what?
Human beings.
Anything which will stimulate human beings to perform wrongdoing. I am not condemning them outright, but at that time too, we were expanding our colonies. But our chiefs didn't know that the atrocities that was done to them was what was going on. Otherwise, they would have stopped. Because one of the reasons why the trade took more than 3 centuries was that people didn't see anything wrong with it.
They were slick. They were very tricky.
Now,
Yeah.
now, there are foreigners in our land here taking our gold, taking our distance, spoiling our water, and the indigenous people, some of the indigenous people do not see anything wrong with it.
Oh, that's not right.
May the Creator forgive all of us. Please, enough is enough. Let's go up there and let me show the market.